when I base my correction off my bias. So let's say I'm looking for sales, and then the correction, then I'm not sure if I should enter buys or sell on that correction, because sometimes it goes the opposite way, and then sometimes it goes in my favor.
I we'll fix that one. Let me start, ne?
Oh yes.
Yo, guys, as you all know me, I'm back again, guys. Manandothegoat, yeah, guys. Shout out to Eaglefx, sponsored the video. So, guys, we're gonna be breaking down the market for you. So now we're looking at this pair called DXY. So, guys, the DXY, we're looking at DXY on the weekly time frame. As I said, what I do is I highlight the lower low of the structure and the higher height and the highest height. So now I have three things I highlighted: the higher height, highest height, and higher height. So now, guys, we're gonna move to the daily time frame. When we move to the daily time frame, we zoom in. Remember, for your chart, guys, to be complete, you need 2 to 3 touches, right? So you could see you have your 1, 2, 3. You have 9. You have nine touches. You see, guys, you have nine touches. You have nine touches, and then when you come to the low, again 1, 2, 3. We also had nine touches. You see, guys. So now I'll move to the 4-hour. So when I get to the 4-hour, still look at the same thing, look on how my trend lines are, check if my trend lines are lacking or what. Okay, I fix my trend line, and then I come here, fix my trend again. But then I think this trend line didn't touch. Okay, we come, fix it nicely. I think we have to push it. Yeah, we push it, then you have a clear one there. So I'll push this thing to here. The real reason why price bought, guys, there, it was because of these double bottom. That's the real reason why price bought. So on the higher level, I don't say much on the higher level, you know. So we're gonna go to the 1 hour now. When we get to the 1 hour, guys, we can expand price and we look at the 1 hour. So as we're looking at the 1 hour, price was going down at an impulse correction, which it was a nice move, you know. Price has been moving in an impulse correction, and then price decided to give you a pattern here. So the real reason I analyzed previous price is to get current price. Okay, impulse. So now price was on some steep movement. You see, so we had that steep movement. So within that steep movement, everything was like that. We're gonna have what? A respected zone, which is there, which I felt like price is not supposed to break. And again, guys, we'll analyze the inside of the market, which is this one here and that one. So if price was to break this level, we know where price will turn. Price will turn on that horizontal ray that we have, you know. So your total structure will be something like this. So we're gonna look at the previous price, you know, where price did the similar thing. If you could see this pattern right here, guys, is the pattern that we're gonna be looking at, you know. Because I always say you need to look at the history to get the what, to get the future. So I'll take that bar pattern, we go down with it. And when I come put it here, everything makes sense. And then I'll increase my trend line. Guys, if you don't say I'm a goat, I don't know, man. I don't know, you guys are lagging. Does anyone who has a question here, guys? Guys, do you have a question?
No, we're good, man. We're good. We're good.
Or we can move forward.
Yeah, we can move forward.
So which pair are we moving to now?
Can we check gold?
Okay, this is the analysis. I already had gold. See, but I'll analyze it again. I'll start it down, eh?
Oh yes.
How many people are here? Or it's just me and you?
There's six people. Yeah, it's me and you and 4 others.
Okay. So, okay, now we are on gold, ne? So with gold, we're gonna highlight the higher side, and then the lowest low, and then another lower low. So from the daily, we're gonna move to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, if you can see nicely, we have a pattern there, you see. Then we're gonna have what? The lower low. What pattern are we having, guys?
It's a head and shoulder.
Head and shoulder pattern, correct. And then now, just because there isn't much to be done here, we go to the what? To the 1 hour, right? When we get to the 1 hour, we can fix our trend. And then this line, we can remove this horizontal ray, we can remove it. You know, as long as you know it's there by your mind. You get what I'm saying, guys? You need to have it in your what? In your mind. So it's fine. We're looking at price, we could see that, okay, price is an HNS setup. So what we do is we take this thing and then we select this price, right? Let's put price aside. We take price, we put it aside. So we're gonna look at the how a head and shoulder setup is, right, guys? Head and shoulder setup, it's something like this is to be the left shoulder, and then here, and then this is the head, and this, and this, and this. So the question now is, does those things look the same? Does this and this look the same, guys?
No.
Huh?
No, it doesn't look the same.
It does. Look at this thing. Look at it.
Oh, yeah. Now I see.
Now you see.
Sure.
You see that they look the same, right? So when they look the same, what do you have? You have
a confirmation, Mananda.
Yeah, you have your confirmation, which is an HNS. You get what I'm saying, guys? You have a confirmation, which is what? Your HNS. So
Yeah.
we're gonna come here, 1, 2, big head like mine, and then down, there, and there. Was that difficult?
No, we are, yeah.
Ejo, now simplify Forex till mentors ask how I do it. Then again, just to flex with the skill, we can just analyze these mini steep. You see, now we're having a mini steep. So with this mini steep, we have to, guys, where will price break? Will price break to the upside or downside?
Downside.
Downside, correct. So now you come here, you take your thingy, put it there, and say, we are now going to reach this level. That has to be your take profit 1. Understand? Take profit 1, and then you're gonna be having a take profit number 2. Is everything clear? Anyone who needs a clarification?
No, we're good, Mananda.
So which pair do we move to now?
So
NAS.
So which time frame do you use to?
Sorry? What's your question?
Manando, which time frame do you use to execute trades?
1 hour, M30, M15, M5, M1. It depends on what I'm trading.
I mean on currency.
H1.
Okay, thanks, man.
Oh, you said guys you're moving to what?
Yes.
Euro USD. Euro USD's analysis already done it, but I'll repeat. This was the nice one that I did. Now I'm afraid too when it comes to the market, I might be taking time to work, but then whenever I work, it's productive. As always, guys, higher height, after higher height, what are we looking for?
Lower low.
Lower low. And then after lower low, important level. And then we're gonna move to the what? To the daily. So on the daily, there's a structure, which is zooming. You need to learn to zoom. Structure which caught my attention. 1, 2, 3. And then simple, right? We're now moving to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, you just fix your trend so that you won't be the topic that trend lines don't work. You fix your trend nicely and they touched. I like going back to the previous price, guys. Price will never change how it moves just to accommodate me and you. The nature of the price will always be the same. Is that clear? Just like this one, impulse correction. After the correction, what happened? Market went to Alibaba. It dropped. You get what I'm saying, guys? Again, price went to this level. It touched and it retained. Okay, let's do this. Price came there and then it went down. So what's so special about this one? Why this one can't do this? You understand, guys? So you need to like brainstorm when you're analyzing, guys. But here there isn't much to be done. So I'll move to our brother 1 hour. So when I get to my brother 1 hour, 1 hour mpotsa mabaka. So with the 1 hour, just to make things interesting, you know, I like making Forex interesting. The 1 hour, you have 1, 2, 3, you have a flag, a nice one. You have a nice flag. Do you get what I'm saying, guys? You get a nice flag. Okay, I'll fix it. Yeah. So on the low, there's a break. All right, on this side, that's how it is. Okay. And then you're gonna have your what? 90% rule, which is here. So now, guys, you're gonna be looking at the pattern and how price moves. The pattern, price moves in different patterns. You see, so impulse correction. So I was gonna take my position there because I'm a risk entry trader, but the reduced risk entry traders, they could have taken their position here. Why? There was a confirmation of a what? Of a bearish structure. And again, there was a pattern within a pattern. This one was a pattern. So this pattern was just there for a re-entry. And now again, you're on an entry type pattern, which is the what? Bearish flag. Do you understand? So when you have it like this, everything is organized. I can remove this trend. If you feel like there's a trend line which is messing up your analysis, you remove it. And then now we could say price is going where? Price is going down. What's the reason of price going down? You do have a pattern that tells you that price will go down. So guys, I don't know what more you want me guys to do. What more do you want me guys to do? Explain to me. What do you want me to do?
Okay, Manando,
Yes, my brother.
do you see we have a correction now on the 1 hour now?
Yeah.
But let's say now I'm looking for the sniper entries on the 1 minute, and then there's a correction forming on the 1 minute. Do I sell because my bias is a sell, or am I selling because of the structure on the 1 hour?
Let me remove this thing. Let's go down. We're gonna go down nicely. Let's go to the 30 minutes, ne? Okay, it's fine.
Yes.
30 minutes, still same structure. We still have the 1, 2, 3. So for this thing to be a sniper entry, it was for you to take position based on the 1, 2,
2 or 3.
3. So if you could have taken your position there, that's a sniper entry. Go to the M15. with the same mentality. 1, 2, 3. You see that still you're on some sniper entry thing. M5.
Always.
Still
Still a sniper.
Hey, like, bro, you know, on the M5, you can just decorate your chetnyana just to show that you were taught by the best. You can even get another one,
Oh, yeah.
another 1, 2, 3.
Three.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
here, the 1, 2, 3 that you have on the lower pattern is just for retracement so that you can like do what, enter again. So we're just gonna end the
Oh,
analysis
yes.
for the M5 so that we can't complicate things, you know. So that's how it is.
Oh, yes.
The entry, we got the sniper entry on which time frame? H1, but then even if we go deeper to the all time frames, it's the same level.
The same level, yeah.
This is some
Always. Thanks.
good stuff, you know, some good stuff.
Oh, yeah.
This is some good stuff. Hey, but it's nice zooming, man. I never thought it is this nice. So again, guys, the first target that you're gonna be having is there. You understand? First target that you're gonna be having is there, and then take profit level. First take profit level should be close. That's the first take profit level. Does it make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense, man.
But you know what makes more sense?
Yeah, listening.
Making money makes sense.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so we're done with EURUSD. What's next?
Yeah. NAS.
They did not do NES. Because you see, if you don't like, if you don't understand, you have to stop me. Okay, let me show you something. What happened with NES, guys?
All right.
You see the cell? I caught it. It's just that, sorry guys, I didn't send it, but I caught the cell. You see, I caught the cell and it was here. Sorry, I didn't send you guys. You see, so it was simple.
Oh, yeah.
It was simple for me. It was simple. Can you see? So now we are on NASDAQ. Daily time frame, higher high, lower low. Trend line to the lows, trend line to the highs. Pattern within, pattern within. Everyone, are we on the same page?
Yes, Manando.
Sure, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we're going to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, that's when you can just fix your trends. So your trends can be nice. It can be nah. Okay. How does the market move, guys?
Impulse, correction, impulse.
Okay, it's fine. Thanks. What is this? I'll show you. What is this? What is this, guys?
It's a double top.
So you're telling me if you are alone, you were gonna fail to get such a setup that can like make you sit home the whole month. I've been getting this straight from there to here. That's your salary for the whole month. Then you can relax with your kids and tell the boss, I'm not gonna come to work this month, so don't pay me. Oh, it's okay. Now we're gonna go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we know we're gonna do what, guys? You see this structure? You see it, right?
Oh, yes.
And this structure, you see it, right?
Oh, yes. The same.
Those are the same structure. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then there was a point where price was like this. This was just an intersection. So if you were good, you were just gonna even take the intersection, double confirmation of price going down. And then now we are on a what? We are on a flag. Here is it. This is the what? This is the bearish flag. So this being the bearish flag, where will price go? That's the biggest question, you know. So now the double top failed. So we need to increase our trend. So if we were to see price reaching a certain level first, price has to reach this level. Is everything clear?
Yeah, it's clear, Manando.
Okay, let me remove the things here. Ela fez mina ngikukhumbulo mama ugizalayo.
Sorry, Manando.
Yeah, my brother.
Manando.
My brother.
So can you please start again? Can you please start again with those structures you were saying?
Okay, no problem.
Sure.
We're on the daily time frame now. So on the daily time frame, we're gonna have our highest height on NASDAQ. And then we're gonna have our lower low. And then we're gonna have a trend on the lower side and another trend on the higher side, right? On the higher side. So, and then we need to look at another structure, which is here. You have your 1, 2, 3. And again, on the low, you have your touch 1, 2. From the daily, we're gonna move to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, as you could see, everything is still perfect. Right? So when we are on the 4-hour, there are points which are valid. I would say we have this double top here, which you could have capitalized to make money. Do you understand? So that's how it is. So we're gonna go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we could see the real reason why price went down. As I did, this pattern here, it's a double top. So this pattern here, it's also a double top. So the real reason I'm taking this thing is to show you that price just keep doing what, repeating what it did. So you could see that there was a what? There was a top. There was a top. So even on the lower side, same thing. There was a what? There was a top. There was a top. And then there was a what? There was a top. Is it clear? There was a top. You see? So now.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Okay, so now when you saw what everything happened, like guys, you need to keep back testing. Back testing is when you go to the previous price. That's why I managed to know this pattern. This pattern will happen. This pattern won't happen. This pattern will happen. Do you get that? So that's how I know. You know. So now we were in a situation like this. You know, don't forget these steep correction. So now we are in a formation where we have a correction, but the correction already it is what it is broken, which we thought this was going to be a double bottom, but we can be looking for price to reach this level here. Understand? So we can go to the M30. Price still dropping nicely. We are cruising, Baba. You understand? We are cruising. So we're gonna look at the last impulse. This was the correction. So if this was the correction, and I'm gonna take it from there, there isn't much to be done though. We're gonna go to the M15. Still, price broke. Prices. If price was to do something here, on the level that we had, I believe price has to just give you this thing called a correction, you know, so that it can get new positions to be set. So this is how it is, and this is how it is. So as first entry, second entry, You have first entry, second entry. And then now we have the final entry, which is the what? Third entry. Is it clear, guys? Then we can go to the 1 hour and drink champagne. Did everyone get it correct?
I have one question.
Yeah. You can ask your question.
Does DXY not correlate with NASDAQ and USD? So if DXY goes down, does that not mean that NASDAQ will go up?
Most of the time, yeah.
Yes.
I trade the price. I don't trade correlation. I trade what I see. Someone's echo is bad, guys. Did you all guys understand this one?
Yeah.
What are we moving to? I'm left with 10 minutes.
US state.
US 30 and NASDAQ is more likely the same. So you're just going to see the same thing, I think. You see that it's just the same pattern.
Yeah, I can see it, Manando.
This is my last trade check. I went down with it. Now I'm entering. I entered here. Guys, don't close this DXY, man. You look like a DXY, German 30. I'm going up with this one. So this one, this structure has to go there. And then if you can check DXY, it has a strong what? Double bottom. It's unlike the rest. You see how it is, guys? So let's just wait and see. So which currency pair should we go to now, guys?
NZBUSD.
I guess this will be the last one. We'll host another Zoom session. What's today's date? Is it Thursday?
Wednesday.
You're gonna do another one on Friday. Guys, you need to remind me.
What time?
Remind me. Around this time, I think this is the best time. Okay. NZD. One, two, three, we have enough touches. And then 1, 2, enough touches. And then I can reduce this touch from there to here. And then we zoom inside. Price broke the level. And then we're gonna go to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, when you look at price, there isn't much that you could see, but then price might be moving in this correction, in this correction manner, you know. Price might be moving in this correction manner. So what if we took, let's see if it will make sense. If we were to take that level and we put it there, basically it makes sense. So with this one, guys, let's just accept something like this. And then after having something like this, then you can take the bar pattern again, use it to the 90% rule, and then you're gonna be having it like this. And I'm good, guys. It's me, Manandothegoat, guys. I guess we have to sign up. So, guys, I'm see you on the next session. Thanks for the way you cooperated. Not like those people we had last.